So we're here on a very brisk Canberra evening on budget night in just out of Parliament House in Canberra with what the IPA says about Federal Budget 2015. Joined by Tony Greco, our General Manager of Technical Policy. And Tony, a massive budget for small business.
Yeah, lots of good news in the budget in relation to small business. Lots of good measures announced tonight.
So we've been advocating very strongly for tax reform for small business, tax cuts for small business. They were there, tax cuts for small business companies, so those companies turning over less than $2 million, a 1.5% tax cut, and also, Tony, a tax discount for unincorporated small businesses, one of the IPA's platforms.
Absolutely, our signature policy in regards to giving a tax break to those companies or entities that aren't incorporated. Effectively, they've received a discount tonight, so it's effectively a 1 or 5% discount up to a cap of $1,000. So very much what we've been asking for, and it was our signature policy, and it looks like the government's been listening.
Well, the one thing we've been talking about within the IPA is, of course, what hasn't been included in the budget from the IPA's policy point of view. So very fortunate that the IPA advocacy has been listened to. But obviously a growing jobs and small business aspect of the budget was a key theme. One of the other aspects in relation to small business was the immediate asset, the instant asset write-off up to $20,000. Your thoughts on that one, Tony?
Yeah, it was much of a surprise because the amount everyone expected $10,000, but to our surprise, the threshold is $20,000, effective from budget night, so people can go out as of tomorrow and spend up to $20,000, and this is $20,000 per asset, so it's not $20,000 all up, it's $20,000 per asset, so a very, very good measure from small business.
So for those accountants providing advice to small business tomorrow, importantly, they can go out and start investing, growing and employing more people, which is what our view and our policy is all about. We believe that this is a budget that actually helps produce a forum in Australia, a platform to turn Australia into, legitimately, the best place in the world to start and run a small business. Plenty more updates coming your way with the IPA as a result of Federal Budget 2015, but that, for now, is what the IPA says about the Budget 2015.